Take a ride in the 2016 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, dual moonroof, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.